The season of being jolly is at risk from a new virulent strain of influenza that has come sooner than expected to Ireland, and it's also more severe. The virus is hitting children hard, and most of the people hospitalised with it are children under 15 and older people over 65. The paediatric hospitals are already under pressure. Dr. Ike Okafor, Clinical Director of Children's Health Ireland, says children have been presenting to emergency departments in large numbers, suffering with severe flu symptoms. The surge in cases has led to a huge demand for the nasal vaccine for children, but pharmacists are now reporting that stocks are running low or running out as they wait for the next delivery from the HSE. Dr. Okafor is urging everyone, parents and children, to get vaccinated as soon as possible, and whatever about a white Christmas, you just might have a flu-free Christmas.